So let's start by opening one of the 4 low profile movers from XPOWER. These 4 air movers are designed to deliver high volumes of air to your dehumidifier so that the dehumidifier can put the climate where you want it, your relative humidity, take the moisture out of the air. So let's when we're opening this product, one of the first things I suggest you do is make sure that the product is working and turn the unit on. I've got it on low, I'm going to medium, and now I'm going to high. I don't feel any vibrations. The unit seems to be working in great order. So I'm good with this one. Okay, so I've opened my 4 low pro air movers, plugged them all in, tested them, make sure they were working. I've opened my air scrubber, plugged it in, tested it, made sure it was working. I'm now going to turn my attention to the LGR dehumidifier. So this box, because this unit's a little bit on the heavy side, we're going to use an ergonomically designed box. So we kind of lift the box off the bottom of the unit. I'm going to set my top of my box aside. My plastic came off with the box. I'm going to save it. And I'm going to take my tubing out, and then I'm going to simply lift the unit out of the box and set it on the ground. Notice it has a collapsing handle. My power cord, I'm going to undo my power cord. And again, I'm going to test this unit. I want to make sure that it turns on. So this power cord detaches from the unit. So I'm going to plug the power cord into the unit. Take the other end of the power cord, and again, I'm going to plug this unit into the wall. And I'm going to turn the unit on. My on button. The unit is lighting up. I heard the fan engaging, and it's on. So now your DIY Pro Pack solution XTREMEDRY Toolkit is ready, and it's at your disposal. A few things I like about this kit. One, real easy to store. You know, I suggest that you keep it all as a kit, because this kit, when you want it, you're not having to want to look over here for the air movers and over here for the air scrubbers and over there for the dehumidifier. We want to be able to grab this Pro Pack, move it, and as you can see, it will easily fit into an elevator. You can move it across the parking lot. Wherever your situation calls for, this system will be able to get to. Congratulations, and stay tuned. We're going to show you how to set it up and use it next.